Here's a couple other quick, tangible takeaways for you. It's simply other things that you could post on social media. Let's say, for example, you don't have enough pieces of artwork and you don't see the value, and I promise there's a lot there. Maybe you don't see the value of, I've already selected this one. Why would I show old ones? Why would I show old iterations that we're not going to choose? Maybe you don't see that. So here's some other things you can do. As you're recording these 7 episodes, that gives you 7 opportunities in order to get in front of your Facebook or social media followers, your family. Whereas you have the ability to say, oh my gosh, OMG, I just had an interview with Adam Adams and he dropped some fire on my podcast. I'm not going to be launching it for another 4 weeks. But when it comes out, I would be happy to send this episode to you. If you'd be interested, then just let me know in the comments below. See how effective that could be? I just interviewed interviewed Pamela Anderson. Maybe she's got a famous name. I just interviewed Pamela Anderson and she talked about an experience that with her ex-husband that did X, Y, and Z for her. And if you want to hear that episode when it drops, I'd be more than happy to send that to you for free. Just let me know in the comments below and I'll get it queued up when the podcast actually goes live. Or you might say something like this. Hey, I'm going to do a raffle. I'm going to do a giveaway. And I'm only offering this to you, my Facebook friends. How to be involved in the raffle is to listen to an episode or 2 of the podcast and leave an honest rating review of the show when it goes live. If you'd be interested, a Tesla, I'm giving away a free Tesla as part of this raffle, depending if you have the money to be giving away a Tesla. I'm not suggesting this to everyone, but you might say something like, I'm giving away for my podcast. Maybe I could say, I'm giving away a free microphone and webcam setup so you can start your podcast. If you'd like to be involved in the drawing, listen to an episode or 2. Leave an honest review of what you think the show is or isn't, and you'll automatically be in the drawing. And just to be clear, you don't have to give a 5-star review to be involved in this drawing. Just an honest review is all I'm looking for.